If your credit score isn't where you'd like it to be, getting a mortgage can feel out of reach, but it's still possible with the right approach. Credit scores usually range from 300 to 850, and the higher your score, the easier it is to qualify for a good interest rate. Lenders look at things like your payment history, total debt, how long you've had credit, and the types of credit you use. A low score can make approval harder, but there are loan options designed to help. One option is an FHA loan. These are backed by the government and tend to have lower credit requirements. You might be able to qualify with a smaller down payment, sometimes as low as 3.5%. The trade-off is that you'll need to pay mortgage insurance, and your interest rate might be higher if your score is low. If you've served in the military, a VA loan is worth looking into. These loans often have no down payment requirement and don't need mortgage insurance, which can save you a lot each month. They're available to service members, veterans, and certain surviving spouses, and the qualification process can be more flexible. The main takeaway is that bad credit doesn't close the door on home ownership. It just means you need to explore programs designed to work with your situation and be prepared for some extra costs. Working on improving your score while shopping around for the right lender can make a big difference in what you're offered.